Good morning, viewers all over the world. As you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu Oraifite. I am today under philosophy and life to react on this trending video you are seeing now. Yes. Ihe ọ na-achọ ịkọwa bụ nchọrọ ịkọwara before you watch any video go. Some certain things that is forbidden as a married woman. If you really want to get married, once you are married, delete pictures and phone numbers of your ex. Yes, you get why. Committing abomination, committing infidelity is not only when you are locked up with your ex or another man in a room, you know you have committed infidelity. Infidelity can be committed via the mind. I will explain. Remember in the book of Matthew, where Jesus was explaining, I keep telling you that why I normally quote Bible is to use what you know from these stories to explain something you don't know. He said, and I quote, "Na asịrị na akwa n'iko, mana ya agwa unu n'eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na ị na-enwe anya lustfully agaghị ikwuke wee gụọ gị ọ sị na ịkwa adara iko ori dị ego ya na Bible." Is there? Kedu ihe ọ na-abọtres na ime ihe carry action na-ebido from thought, longing, wish before deed, and those things na-create waves. Among mmesi wee kọwara ya ka ọ dị by ị nwere ike commit onwe gị. Yes, by echiche ọjọọ ichere eche imebiri ya eme. Yes, it's a sin. Let me remind you again. I remember when we are into this Catholic Church of Eden. Every day I confess. Na ono ụmụnna emeghela m nke ukwuu site n'echiche n'okwu na omume ifuru ya na site n'ịhapụ ezi omume kwesịrị na ga-eme site na mmehie nke kasị ifuru ya. So your thought, your longing, your wish, it counts. So mgbe ị nọ na be di gị na-achat ya ex-boyfriend na WhatsApp ya na-akọrọ ya gị na di nwe misunderstanding ekọrịa ị na-akọwara ya ụfọdụ ihe gasị the weakness of your husband. Of course ọ ga-claim na ya wụ the sense ọ ga na-agwa gị na ọ bụrụ na ọnya na ya eme ihe ndị a na-akọwara na ọ bụrụ by the ọ na-spoil your mind, and by studying the full, you are failing. Your marriage is crashing gradually from good morning to how are you or crazy or what they can see. Before you know it, you'll be send the battle gift. All those things, if you really want your marriage to work, avoid distractions. Those things are distractions, I can tell you. Some of you might say that because your ex nwere ike rụwazie ọrụ na ihe ebe nọ maka na ọ maga na ụmụ nwaanyị ihe a na-work on ihe gwara ha na ntị ọsaba gị isi. O nwere ike ịkpọgụ n'ụtụtụ, nwere ike ịkpọgụ n'ehihie, o nwere ike ịkpọgụ n'abalị, o nwere ike ịkpọgụ everything. Ihe niile abụ ndị a na-akpọ fuck boys, lazy guys enwere ihe a na-alụ nwere ụdị time ahụ. Your husband nwere ike na-akpọgụ only once a day maka na ọ dị busy na-eche ka ọ mara ihe nyere gị na ụmụ gị eri mana ị na-compare with ndị ọzọ. Ka m kwụsị ebe watch this video and learn from it.
Any married woman that is still doing these two things I'm about to mention here is cheating on her husband. You are a married woman, you are doing this, you are cheating on that man that you're married. So as a married man watching me, pay attention to this. And you as a married woman watching me, pay attention to this to know what I'm about to state. You are still under that man, you are still doing these two things. Number one is, as a married man, you still have your ex phone number on your phone. Having his phone number is another thing, but communicating with him from time to time, you are cheating on your husband. Your ex don't need to come and knock you before you know that you are cheating. Even if your ex is in Kafanchan, you are in Abuja or you are in Sokoto, you are cheating. Because that talk is a dirty talk. Tell yourself the truth. What are you guys communicating? What are you guys talking about? The communication is a dirty communication. You and I know that there is nothing good that will come out of that communication. It will not help you. It will not help your husband. It will not help your marriage. Rather, the ex might be saying something naughty. You are still looking beautiful. Can we do video call? Can we do this? Your husband is lucky. Let the man take his time. Oh. If not for this, I for don't marry you. If not for this, me and you for end up together. When your man want father. If you are that good, why no come pay your bride price? If that man na the alpha and the omega, why no come marry you? So if you are still communicating with your ex, I put it to you that you guys are cheating on the innocent man. That man don't need to meet you guys red-handed or catch on and when they do one. No, that talk alone safe. You are cheating on that innocent man. Number 2 is if you're a married woman and you are begging your ex money. You dey beg your ex money. You are cheating on your husband. Even though it's not the knack, but you dey cheat. Because the begging of money, you are seeking for help from your ex. You are belittling your husband. You are telling your ex indirectly that your husband is not doing well, that he's not taking good care of you, that you're not contented, that you're not happy in that marriage, that it's not money enough. That's why you are begging for alms. If you are broke or you are in need of finance, seek it elsewhere. Must not be from your ex. You get reason. Seek it from elsewhere, not your ex. Because it might make that man to start looking down on your husband without you even saying. You begging money alone have explained that, yeah, this man is not taking care of me, or that you're not contented, or you're not happy in that marriage, or that man is not money enough, or that you guys are broke. Seek for help elsewhere. So if you are still doing these 2 things, you are indirectly cheating on your husband. Even though still they do anything, they knack. They see they do these 2 things as a married woman. You are cheating on that man. No this and no peace.